Hello, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I've got another video for you, and we're gonna make something with Play-Doh or with any molding material really. Yeah, as you can see, it's Rudolph. So we need two different colors of brown color, a little bit of orange, a little bit black, and a little bit of white. So the dark brown, we're gonna take about the half of it. Mold it, make a round ball, and then press it down on the table, and again the half of the other half and roll it like kind of a sausage idea. You can roll it on the table as well, more evenly. Alright, the lighter brown. Then again roll that into a ball. Place that into the ears, or as ears. The other side the same. Alright. It could be any animal at this moment, but we're going to change it so you will see it's not. Again, a sausage of the dark brown color. To the middle and through that, like 1/3. That's the top bit. The antler. Alright, the lighter brown. And again a ball. Press it down on the table. Kind of mold it like this. A little bit like an egg shape. Kind of an egg shape. A bit of a pointy bit on the top. Press that down. And a little bit, get the wrinkles out of the way. Right, that's how it looks at the moment. And we're gonna grab the nose, so the orange bit, the red, and press it on the top like that. We've got the white bits here. We're going to make two little balls. Press it like there, press it down. In the white bits we're going to place two black bits, so it will be the eyes, the pupils, and just the mouth. So a little bit left of the black part, roll it again, and there we are, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Very nice Christmas themed Play-Doh tutorial. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We have loads more videos for you. Yeah, if you like it, give us a thumbs up. And hopefully we'll see you soon and you have fun making this. And we'll see you soon the next time with DIY Ideas. Bye!